To turn on or off the flashlight on an Android device, you need to follow a few simple steps. The process may vary slightly depending on the device model and the version of the Android operating system. First, locate the Quick Settings panel on your device, which is usually accessed by swiping down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. This panel provides quick access to various settings, including the flashlight. Once you have opened the Quick Settings panel, look for the flashlight icon, which is often represented by a lightning bolt or a torch symbol. Tap on this icon to turn the flashlight on or off. If the icon is not visible, you may need to swipe left or right to access more settings, or tap on the pencil icon to edit the Quick Settings panel and add the flashlight icon. Alternatively, you can also use the device's Settings app to turn the flashlight on or off. To do this, open the Settings app and search for the flashlight or torch option. This option is usually found in the Device or Advanced Settings section. Some devices also provide a shortcut to turn on the flashlight, such as a gesture or a button combination. For example, some devices allow you to turn on the flashlight by pressing the power button 3 times. In addition to using the device's built-in settings, you can also download and install a third-party flashlight app from the Google Play Store. These apps often provide additional features, such as adjustable brightness and strobe mode. To conserve battery life, it is a good practice to turn off the flashlight when it is not in use. You can also adjust the screen brightness and turn off other unnecessary features to extend the battery life of your device. In summary, turning on or off the flashlight on an Android device is a straightforward process that can be done through the Quick Settings panel, the Settings app, or a third-party app. By following these steps and using the flashlight feature responsibly, you can get the most out of your device.